What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to pair a phone with a Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra using the Bluetooth. For the iPhones, we'll also take a look at how to enable the Apple CarPlay. And I will be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing we want to do is go into your phone's settings, go into your Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, if you're not already there, go ahead and click the phone menu down here. Then we'll click Connect Phone. And now we'll click Add Phone. Now if we pull our phone up, we're looking for it to pop up as My Chevrolet under Available Devices. Go ahead and click on that. Now we want to make sure that this PIN number here matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does, so we'll click Pair. And then on our phone, we need to click Pair as well. This is just asking if I want to set up, give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set that up right now. So now we're connected. The final step to enable the Apple CarPlay, on the center screen, we need to click Continue if you want to enable it. And then on our phone, you need to click Use CarPlay. And then you see it connected there for the Apple CarPlay. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.